Indian cricket is changing, not slowly, but dramatically. For years, we spoke about potential. Now, we are watching a new golden era being formed in real time. But what exactly makes this era different? Why are analysts calling this the strongest Indian setup in history? Let's break it down. There have been great bowlers, but there has never been a Bumrah. Jasprit Bumrah gives India something no team has had for decades: a guaranteed wicket-taker at any moment in the game. What makes him special? A sling action that hides the release point, 10 to 15 centimeters late dip, Yorker accuracy that is statistically the best of this era, ability to bowl defensive and attacking spells, economy under 6 even on high-scoring pitches. Bumrah single-handedly changes the nature of modern cricket strategy. And when your team has a bowler like him, every match starts 10% in your favor. Chapter 2: The Rise of India's Next-Gen Batting. For the first time, India has 3 layers of batting talent. Layer 1: Established match winners. Layer 2: Explosive impact players. Layer 3: Young guns built for modern cricket. This is not evolution. This is reinforcement. Every generation is stronger than the previous one. India can now field to complete batting lineups, and both can compete at international level. Chapter 3: IPL, the world's best talent factory. The IPL is no longer just a tournament. It's an industrial machine that produces pressure-tested players, data-aware cricketers, finishers who understand matchups, bowlers who can handle 100,000 fans screaming. Players come into the Indian team with experience facing world-class bowlers, tactical understanding, mental toughness. This is why young Indian players debut at age 21 looking like veterans. The IPL has shortened India's learning curve by 5 to 7 years. This alone pushes India into a new cricketing era. Chapter 4: All-Rounders. India's missing puzzle, now fixed. For 15 years, India had one major problem: lack of multi-dimensional all-rounders. Today, Hardik Pandya, Ravindra Jadeja, Axar Patel, Washington Sundar, Shardul Thakur. These players give India the flexibility that teams like Australia and England used to dominate. Now, India has it too, and in abundance. Chapter 5: Bowling depth like never before. India's bowling once depended on 1 to 2 stars. Now it's a full ecosystem: pacers, spinners. Bumrah, Shami, Siraj, Arshdeep, Umran Malik, Prasidh Krishna, Kuldeep Yadav, Ravi Bishnoi, Ashwin, Jadeja, Axar. Every bowler has a specific role. Every bowler has defined matchups. Every bowler is IPL battle-tested. This depth is why India can rotate, refresh, and still dominate. Chapter 6: Leadership Evolution, from emotion to data. Indian cricket leadership has changed. Rohit Sharma brought calm tactical clarity. Hardik Pandya brings matchup-based aggression. Rahul Dravid brings process and stability. And behind them, India now has analytics teams, strategic analysts, and matchup specialists. This is a modern cricket machine, not just a team of talented players. So yes, Indian cricket is not just strong, it is historically strong. The talent pool, IPL system, modern analytics, leadership, Bumrah-level match winners, all combine to create something we've never seen before. This is not hype. This is not emotion. This is the beginning of India's new golden era. If you enjoyed this breakdown, subscribe for more cricket analysis that goes beyond commentary. Drop a comment. Which player defines India's future?